This is a step-by-step guide on how to use Book Creator. Firstly, you're going to sign in using your Google or your Microsoft account. Secondly, you're going to want to enter the library code your teacher sent you. Alternatively, after signing in, you can just open the link to the library if your teacher sent you one. You can toggle or untoggle the option to see only your teacher's books as opposed to everyone else's. Now, by selecting the library and pressing Copy Book, you can duplicate a book your teacher may have left you to work on it separately. You can also create a new book by pressing this button in the upper right corner. You have multiple formats to choose from, such as portrait, square, landscape, and even comic book style. You're only given 3 pages to start with, but you can add as many as you'd like by skipping to the end page and clicking the plus. This is the cover of the book. By pressing the I button in the upper right corner, we can give the page a color, a texture, a gradient, or a filter. I'm gonna go ahead and give it this comic books texture. Next, by pressing this plus button next to it, we can add loads of things such as texts, images, drawings, and more. A feature I find really useful is the search image feature, because it has an incorporated image database where you can find any picture you want. Let's say, for example, of a cat. I'll just go ahead and add an image from my computer. Next, from the Shapes tab, I'm going to add a text bubble to go along with my image. We can obviously add some text too from the Media tab. We can make it bold or italic. We can change the color and much more. After the text is inserted and selected, by pressing the same I button, we can change the size, the alignment, the font, and much more. In the Media tab, by pressing the brush, we can draw on our page or insert all kinds of emojis. I'll search for a coffee emoji quickly, resize it to fit, and voila. To read the book we've created, we need to press the play button in the corner, and now we can swipe to our pages. Hope this helps.